Hey everyone, Noah from the Flatline Company. Just another video here showing us our newest version of the MedicMate series. Got some really cool feedback and made some changes. So, and we'll start here is the MedicMate Pocket. The idea behind this is that some of the medics we're working with were saying that the structure of the original MedicMate can be a bit uncomfortable to keep in a pocket. And people want to be able to kind of just pop in the pocket. So, here we go. More comfortable to keep inside of a pocket on one side. So let's say they stab you, at least poke you here. And one of the newest features that we're really excited about is interchangeable color tabs here. So you give it a bit of a push, easier with kind of like a small tool. Pull this one up here. There you go. Yeah, so we can offer different colors that fit different needs or different medications, and it just kind of slips in and pops in. Biggest change feature here is obviously no IV pole grabber on the back. So this one's meant to be kind of kept inside a pocket. Show that right here. So either you're in a pant pocket and these sharp teeth here kind of grab onto whatever material you shove it into. So it sits like that. Wants to stay there nice and kind of tight. You can kept on a backpack pocket or a defibrillator pouch as well. Still has our kind of like our handy attachment point for our quick clips there on our website as well. So you guys set a bungee or key ring and just kind of sits there as well. And nice feature is it's still MOLLE compatible. So show it off right here. As long as you feed it through, when it sits, it catches up against this part here. It stays nice and tight. But when you want to remove it, all you got to simply do is lift up so the teeth kind of lift. Off it comes. Still the same features as before, minus the IV drip clips. So something we were noticing is that for this version, we were kind of angling more towards field paramedics. And the biggest thing, kind of feedback we got from paramedics is if you're drawing up medications for a sedation or a seizure, it might give you a bit of a hectic situation. And sometimes keeping your meds perpendicular, like the standard MedicMate, like that, it works, but if it's on your hip or in your pocket, it's more liable to get grabbed. So what we did is we added a 3 mil on this side. So it keeps your medication in line with your pocket. So if you're kind of helping to, needing to sedate someone, you can, help to restrain them and not have this medication get lost. So still has that standard feature where the color tabs shine through the medications here. 2 3 mils and 2 10 mils, and then a 1 mil syringe fits into the pocket like the MedicMate original. Has that TPU kind of a multi-use side slot here, particularly for health cards. Shove it in here, but you can also take any tool that you can fit in there. So hemostats stay in as well as alcohol swabs. And kind of sit nicely in there, like that. And on the side of the 3 mil here, you can also put a swab. So if you're prepping for your medications, like that. Also has that lure lock attachment, like the other versions of the MedicMate. So any standard cap, like this, will thread here. So you can keep those medications, or those medication tip a little bit cleaner, as well as still fitting the standard flush on top here, and still takes universal size blunt tips in our needle cap grabber. So as long as you give it a bit of a shove, your blunt tips can come out, and then if it's on your pocket, you're not going in with 2 hands. And still fits other kind of standardized, this is an IM injection needle here, like that. Yeah, so those are the major changes with the MedicMate Pocket. Just a bit of a different form factor for paramedics that have different kind of wants and needs. This one can be kind of stored away in your pocket comfortably, or at least a little bit more comfortably compared to the original MedicMate. Has a little bit less features, but kind of in that middle zone, a bit more of a lightweight version, like here. So this one you can kind of shove in here, and it sits flush against your kind of leg, versus the MedicMate, which is still works that way, but definitely a little bit more of a poking as well. So yeah, we also have some interesting standardized colors here. So with the new color clips, you can get the blackout kind of version here, bubblegum kind of version here, and we have the tactical green version and a fire truck version, red version as well. You can check it out on the website. Free shipping on orders over $75 should be live on the website now, and hope you enjoy. Let me know what you guys think, and have a good day.